It's time to go back to a coffee detox. Barista Christmas ornament. Hey, and welcome to this new video. A new week has started. I'm gonna take you in this new week. It's already Tuesday and I've been trying to get back to vlogging after our Austria trip, but didn't really work out. I don't know, it was hard to take my camera with me, and yeah, but here I am. And actually 2 days ago, last Sunday, Koen and I went to a new cafe, bakery slash cafe in Amsterdam. And we're going to a new cafe. It's like a bakery slash cafe. It's called, I think, Farine. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's open for like a week or something. And yeah, I'm very, very curious. And I don't know what coffee that they use, so we're gonna see and try. This morning I started with going to yoga with Kimberly, and then we went for matcha. We went actually to this 7 o'clock yoga class, and waking up I was like, oh, I prefer to stay in bed. But then when we were at yoga, I actually felt really good. So I'm gonna take you into this week. That's a bit off the plan, but let's see how it goes this week. And I'm happy to be back. By the way, last Sunday when we were at the new cafe, I had so much coffee and I felt so bad the whole day. I just had a double espresso and that was already enough. And then we had one more cappuccino, and after 2 sips I was like, I have to stop drinking coffee. So I felt so bad the whole day. I was nauseous and jitters and couldn't concentrate. Luckily I had to do a lot of active work, so I could regenerate, use the energy. So then on Monday I decided no more coffee. So yesterday and today I had matcha. So building down the caffeine intake, and I'm going into a coffee detox maybe from tomorrow, somewhere this week. I don't know yet when is the right time, but yeah, back to decaf or the herbal coffee, or yeah, I think that are the best options to do. Yeah, so it's time to go back to a coffee detox. So it's already Thursday. What did I do yesterday? I don't remember. Oh, nothing. I was so tired yesterday. So I had a really chill day, watching some vlogs and some YouTube and some Netflix. And the bedside tables arrived. So they are ready, and I will show you later in the bedroom. And yeah, this morning I went to yoga at 7 o'clock again. It was really, really good actually. I really enjoyed it. And then I came home and did a lot of work. because today is the day that the website is going live on my webpage for the retreat, the Inner Wisdom Retreat, together with Marije in March in Portugal. So I'll put a link below so you can check it out. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So it's been a lot of work, a lot of groundwork to do for our first retreat, but now we have all of that. We know for the next retreats. I have the page and I made a lot of content today for Instagram, for the stories, for the post, and yeah, that is what I did today. I just showered. It's I think 3 o'clock now. I was actually meeting Vita today, but she cancelled as she is really busy today with work. So we'll meet when she is when she has more space. And then I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna stay home, but actually I'm so in the Christmas mood and I cannot stop thinking about Christmas decorations. So I decided to go to the city center, to go to some shops and to just look around a little bit. And then on my way back, I'm going for a hot chocolate because I'm already craving this for 3 days. It's really getting more gray, colder here in Amsterdam. So it's time for hot chocolate, so I'm gonna do that. I'll bring something to read or something to write, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you. Red nose from the cold, but things didn't really go as planned as when I arrived in the city center. I was putting away my bike and then walking, and then I was like, what's on my gloves? And there was something really disgusting on my new gloves, and it was just so disgusting. People are so disgusting. So then I asked somewhere for a napkin and clean it off, but I didn't want to wear them anymore. So I went to some shops just to look around, and then I went to Sissy Boy, and that went well because I found some Christmas ornaments. I will show them tomorrow when it is lighter. I have the perfect Christmas ornament for baristas. So I already saw them on the website and I found it, so we'll show you tomorrow. And then I was driving to the place there where I wanted to have a hot chocolate, and then I arrived there and it was closed. It was 4:30 and it would be open till 6, and I was there 4:30 and it was closed, and I was like, oh my god. I drove here on my way home. So yeah, it was a bit disappointing, but now I'm gonna make hot chocolate at home because I bought some easy to make hot chocolate in the weekend and didn't make it yet. So then I'm gonna make some fresh whipped cream. So still my hot chocolate, but it's not the same. I really wanted to go somewhere, sit somewhere and really, yeah, you know, treat myself. Well, I treated myself with the Christmas ornament, so I'm not complaining, but it would have been nice to just sit in a cafe for a bit. But well, so I also did some shopping at the Asian supermarket, and then tonight, well, after my hot chocolate, it's almost time for dinner, and then I'll make dumpling soup. I never made it, so curious how that goes, but really looking forward to that. So Koen has the Christmas party, so he's not at home. I don't think he will be late, as the Christmas party starts at 5. But his sister is also joining, so they work together, and She's sleeping here, so already cleaned the house a little bit, so it's gonna be nice. Maybe I'll see them tonight and otherwise tomorrow morning. But first, hot chocolates. So good. Oh, I was craving this. We're going to buy a Christmas tree and we're going for coffee. Show you the ornaments. I bought this one at Hema a while ago, so I already had that one. And then I went to Sissy Boy in the city center and found this little owl. It's one of my spirit animals, an owl, so when I saw it I had to have it. Then I bought this one. A fox. Has a special meaning for us, but I will share that later. Not in this video though. And then I found this one. Oh my god. It's a dinosaurus. And yeah, Koen also loves dinos, so we didn't have one yet, and this one was also in sale, so I was like, I'm gonna take this one. And then I was actually going to the shop for this one, for the ultimate Barista Christmas ornament, and so happy that they had it. It was even a little bit on sale. So it is a coffee machine. Oh my god, look at this. It's Monday today. I am starting with going to White Label. I'm walking there now and meeting a dear friend of mine, Halle, and she lives now in Spain in her van, and she's here in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam now, just for a day with her boyfriend. We're gonna chat and have a coffee. I was actually thinking not to have a coffee as I feel a little bit overwhelmed. It's so busy these days, but the weekend was pretty intense with the Christmas parties. Well, I don't even drink, and I was at home by 10 but still I'm so tired, so I'm definitely gonna take a coffee, and I think a banana bread's really good there. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see her and Mitchell as well. So this is the end of this vlog, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I really hope to see you next week. Took a bit of time to get back to vlogging, but I'm here again trying to make weekly videos. And if there's any questions or anything you'd like to see, like to know, please let me know in the comment. I also wish you already a beautiful Christmas, a beautiful Yule time, if that resonates for you more than Christmas, and see you soon. Bye!